Indolysaght was established on June 7, 1974 by the Citra Bonan Group, founded by the late Henk Wiluan, in a joint venture with Lysaght Durham Chemical, a subsidiary of BHP Group Company in Australia. In 1984, PT Indolysaght became fully owned by the Citra Bonan Group and changed its status into a domestic investment company. PT Indolysaght experienced an increase in capacity from 2,400 to 4,500 metric tons annually. In 1984, PT Indolysaght fully owned by Citra Bonan Group and expanding to 13,500 metric tons annually in 1988. Also, increased capacity to 18,000 metric tons annually in 2006. PT Indolysaght began the commercial production of zinc dust with a capacity of 5,400 metric tons. Indolysaght has emerged as Indonesia's largest manufacturer of zinc oxide, zinc chloride and other zinc-based chemicals which cater domestic consumers and international markets. Indolysaght has been ensuring not only the best quality in our products, but also an environmentally friendly product and process, as raw materials are the key to manufacturing superior products. We maintain a tight quality control and assurance of materials and components provided by our reliable suppliers, while also keeping the quality of our manufacturing process consistent. Zinc oxide is one of our mainstay products. Zinc oxide itself has the characteristics of high refractive index, high thermal conductivity, binding, antibacterial and UV protection properties. Zinc oxide has many applications in our daily lives. It is an industrial raw material used in the production of rubber, glass, ceramic, paints, pharmaceuticals, catalysts, electrical and electronics products, agricultural products, wood preservatives, and many others. An important property of zinc oxide lies in its ability to increase the resistance capability of some plastic materials used for packing purposes. Zinc dust. Together with our longtime partner Japan's Honjo Chemical Corporation, Indolysaght has established the nation's first zinc dust plant in 2015, following the increasing demand throughout the region. As of right now, we are the leading supplier of zinc oxide to industrials in Australia and all across Southeast Asia. Chemicals, primary reducing agent in nitrobenzene production, as well as an intermediate in the manufacturing of other chemicals. Paints and coating, high-performing anti-corrosive agent in marine and industrial coatings. Mining, widely used to recover metals for further processing and to purify solutions containing metals. Petroleum and lubricant, catalyst in the production of petrochemicals and the active ingredient in thread and anti-seize compounds. For more than 40 years, we have been cultivating an eco-friendly business for the sake of our partners. The trustworthy solution for your business.